UV Nation, are you in need of a portable power station? Then I think you want to stay tuned and check out this video on this portable power station from a company called SinKeu. Alright. Hey Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark for loosescrewzzandviews, back to get another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. UV Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a portable power station, alright? But before we get started, I want to give all thanks and praise to my Heavenly Father, God above, and Savior Jesus Christ, because without Him, none of this is possible, alright? Alright. And by the way, can you guys do me a favor? Can you go down there and hit that subscribe button? It's free, don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out, alright? Alright. Appreciate it. Alright, today we're going to be looking at this portable power station from a company called SinKeu, alright? Now they market it as a portable power station that you can see on the box right here, but to me it's more like a power bank, just an extra large power bank. But I think the reason why they call it, a power station, because it has one AC outlet. All right. So let me give you some specs for the spec junkies out there. It's and I'm reading it right off the website. It's the SinKeu portable power bank, with AC outlet, 88.8 watt. I think we'll say output, and 110 volt power station with fast charging, and it has a rechargeable 24,000 mAh rechargeable battery. And they were saying it's good for your laptops, or good for take out camping, traveling, home office, etc., for emergencies like hurricanes, whatever. So that's a little of the specs right there for the spec junkies. All right, and if you want more specs, I'm gonna leave a link down there where you can get detailed information on it. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box. All right. So let's get this out of the box, because it's just in a plain box, nothing much on there. I mean, I think they kind of marketed it as like some a camping accessory or what have you. But you can pause this right here and read it for yourself. All right, it's just saying on here, just tell you a little bit more information about it. All right. Says lithium battery portable power station, wherever you need power. All right, so let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box and see what we're working with. All right. Okay. All right. Let's move these phones out of the way. All right. As you see here, we met with a little nylon carrying bag. You got your instruction booklet, which I'm gonna put that to the side for a moment. And you get a car charger, so you can charge it up in the car. You can see here, you can charge it up in the car. All right. And you have the main charger, and it has a proprietary charger, so you can't use USB-C, which would have been nice to have a USB-C cable to charge it, but it is what it is. All right. So let that to the side. And you got another plug for a cigarette lighter. So I'm gonna have to figure this out, what this one's all about. And the star of the show, let me get it out. You see they got it wrapped real good. They got it snug in here for shipping. Presentation is pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and get this box out of the way. Set that box to the side. They got it wrapped up good, so you can tell this is brand new. All right, go ahead and take it out of the package. Get this plastic out. All right. Okay, voila. Portable power station. All right. So let me give you some, so you can take a look at some of this stuff right here. I know the camera is gonna be hard to pick up right here, but right here you got cause it's all. Let me see if I can turn some of these lights down real quick. Let's see. Well, we're gonna rock on what we got. This is the on and off switch right here. Let's see here. This is the power switch where you're gonna plug your power supply into, and then this is okay. This is a power button. Not sure what that on and off switch. Oh, on and off switch is for the AC. Let me get a little bit closer where you can see it. There we go. As you can see right here, it says the on and off switch is for the AC, and then the input right there, and then there's the main power button, and you have what is this? USB 2, USB A1. All right, and then you have another 12 volt output. Let me see here where you can focus. All right, so it's two different outputs. Okay, was the input? Okay, it's the output and input. Okay, I don't get mixed up, whatever. But yeah, there's a digital screen right here, and here is the AC outlet right here, and it has a little LED right here. I guess it's letting you know that it's working wherever. Nothing on the back, you know, just plain on the back. Just nothing on the other side. It's made of like hard plastic, and it feels like some kind of coating on it, but it's, you know, it's hard plastic. So let me go ahead and see. Let me turn this bad boy on. See what we got. All right, it's at 65%. All right. Okay. Let's see here. Now I got to find some stuff to plug into it. So I'm gonna go find some things to plug into it and see how this thing really works. And also I'm gonna charge it up, and then we'll come back to it and finish out the video. All right. Hold tight. Okay, View Nation, we back. I got some things I'm gonna test it with, and all right, let's go ahead. First of all, let's turn it on. As you see, it's 65%. I didn't charge it up because I wanted to go ahead and get this video done, but it's at 65%, and then also you'll see right here that says DC output. Let me see if I can get it right there where you can see it. DC output. All right. Now, say if I go ahead and plug it in, which I will go ahead and try to plug it in over here. All right. I got it plugged in. Let's see here. And when I plug it in, I got to make sure I put it into the input, because one is for 12 volt output and the other one is for 15 volt input. So as soon as I plug it in, you should see something change. All right. That percentage sign is blinking, letting you know that it's charging. And as you can see up here, you have it says 15 volt. All right, so it's showing you how many the voltage is going in there. All right. So let's go ahead and see about. Let's see what we're gonna plug up. Let's test the AC outlet. All right. So I got a fast charging cable right here, and what I'm gonna do, plug it in here because this is a fast charging brick. So plug it in here. I'm going to test it with the Note 20 Ultra because it lets me know if it's fast charged or not. So I'm going to plug this in, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on the AC outlet button. As you see, I turn the AC outlet button, and as you can see here, the DC comes on. So it's letting you know that, you know, the AC is outlet is being used, and it also, you'll see this little yellow green light right here. You can see it. My light is so bright in here. All right. So with that being said, let me get the trusty Note 20 Ultra out and see if it's fast charging. All right. Plug it in. Nope. No fast charge. No fast charge. No fast charge. See that? Plug it in again where you can see it. All right. They said fast charge, but there's no fast charging. So maybe they're meaning fast charge the device up. All right. Put it over here where we can see. Just regular slow charging. All right. Just regular slow charging. So didn't pass that test, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it plugged up. And one thing I noticed off camera is that it didn't have a USB-C port. I mean, in this day and age, you would think, you know, products like this would come out, it would have a USB-C port on it. I mean, come on, man. It's, you know, it's 2024, you know, have a USB-C port. But anyway, let's see what else we got over here. I think that's about, okay. Let me try this one more time. I'm just curious. I want to make sure that it's actually not working. So I'm going to go ahead and use this 65 watt charger just to be on the safe side, just to double check, you know, because maybe it could have been that charger. I don't know. But all right, nope, still regular charge, no fast charging. And the reason why I tell you that I can tell if it's fast charging or not. I got a fast charging cable right here plugged into a power source. All right, so let me unplug something real quick. Ooh. All right, now when I plug this cable in, you can see it says super fast charge. All right, it says super fast charge. All right, for some reason the camera don't want to focus today. I'm gonna focus on everything else. But try to pull it in. All right, super fast charge. So this does not do fast charge. Maybe it might, you know, when they say fast charge, they might have been talking about it'll fast charge. This device to charge it back up, but as far as fast charging, you're just gonna get regular charge with this right here. Let me go ahead and see how many things we can plug up at one time. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this back. I'm gonna use the AC outlet. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. All right, let's see what else we got. I got some sound core, earbuds. We'll plug them in. Well, no, I'm gonna plug the phone in first. Phone still regular charge. All right, let's see here. I got a cable for this right here. Let me undo it real quick. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and plug. In fact, I'm gonna plug it into the earbuds and plug them up. Let's see. Yep, it's charging. It's charging. All right. Let's see what else we got. We got another cable. I thought I had another cable out here. Got a cable inside my little trusty speaking tech case. All right. Let's go ahead and take this out. And let's go ahead and plug in the iPhone. We're going to go ahead and plug that in. So far, charging. It's charging. All right. So it will charge multiple devices at one time. I got 2 cell phones and a set of earbuds. And let's see, that's the only slots right here. And so, yeah, it'll charge multiple devices at one time with no problem whatsoever. But you're not going to get fast charge. Even with one product plugged in, you're not going to get fast charge. So it is what it is. But this will be perfect to take on camping trips or something like that. Let me turn the AC button off, because you notice when I turn the AC button, it turns off. Right. All right. But as far as the fast charging claim, I don't know. I mean, I'm looking at the back of the device right here. It's let's see, 15 volt, 2 amp. Doesn't say output 5 volt, 2.0. So the AC max output is 65 watt, but you're gonna have to have let's see here. Well, I had a fast charging brick and it still didn't do that, so I'm not sure. I don't know if you had to have it plugged in at the time or not. So matter of fact, let me try that. Before I say it doesn't do something. Let me go ahead and plug it up. All right, and we're gonna try it that way. So the 15 volt input, and let me see if it would do fast charge then. All right. You go ahead and turn the AC outlet on. And I know I turned the AC outlet on, so you can't do pass-through charging when it's charging the device with the AC outlet. So it's not letting me do that with the AC outlet. So let's try something else. Let me plug it into, let's see here, let's plug it into here. Nope, Now it's charging the phone right now, but you can't use the AC. Okay, the AC outlet came back on. So I don't know what I did wrong. Maybe I had pushed a button somewhere. I don't know. But let's try this one more time. I'm all over the place. Let's see here. Still no fast charge. All right. So basically, you got a power station / aka extra large power bank that it'll charge multiple devices, and yes, it does do pass through. I think I had to match that power button to make sure it did the pass through. But you're getting a basic charger. I mean, yes, you can use it to charge your laptop or something like that, or your tablet, which I got the iPad Pro 12.9. It'd be great for that. And go ahead and plug 2 cell phones on at one time, and whatever else you want to plug into it. So, I mean, if you're looking for a fast charger, I can see where this would be. Would be a deal breaker. But for me, I got so many other chargers. It's not really a deal breaker for me. This would be perfect just to take with you on a vacation and traveling, and you got multiple devices. You need to go ahead and charge at one time, and get ready to lay it down for the night and just plug everything in. Bam! Wake up in the morning, everything's juiced up. So that's what this would probably be good for. But if you're looking for fast charge, it doesn't have fast charge. All right, as you see there, we tried it with everything here, and it doesn't do fast charge. But I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you get more detailed information for the spec junkies out there. I'm not an expert. I'm just a regular everyday person, so I'm not an expert at this stuff. I'm just a guy that loves gadgets and tech like this. All right. And I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you get more detailed information. All right. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, subscribe, notification bells will be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe. All right, it's free, don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out. All right, and I appreciate everybody taking out time to check out the video. I know I kind of rushed through things. It's the first video back of the year, trying to get back in the swing of things after the holidays. So just bear with me, and we're gonna get back on track. All right, and like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. Let's see here. The message for today is, let's see here. Message for today is, put your all into everything you do. All right, put 100% effort into everything you do. All right. So if you put 100% or put more than 100% into everything you do, you should be looking at a good outcome. All right. So that's the message for today. Put 100%, put your all into everything you do. Wait a minute. What am I doing with this microphone? Wait a minute. We got a new mic. All right. It's your main man, Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic, baby. And we out. Peace.